Hey everybody. While Chewy and I have been planning to work on the Aluminum Falcon, I went in search of the original color Mitchell badges that I've seen a few places online. And as it turns out, there's really not that much information out there, but I did find a gentleman who has designed and reproduced his own for his camper, and he's selling them on eBay as well. But in the end, I've decided to do the same. So while I had a little bit of time this weekend, I sketched out a rough drawing of my own, and I'm going to redo some things, but I'm pretty happy with the way it is. I just need to move the eyes and the head, whatever, artist stuff. But like I said, I am somewhat happy, and I'm excited to really start to begin to do some work on the camper. I'm getting to a point where I can start working in the garage, so I'm going to go through the electrical, the propane, and the plumbing systems in the next day or so, and then start getting the thing really cleaned up and see what else needs to be done. And I'm also writing and planning the big video, so look for that soon as well. Now this picture at the end is a 1968 extended cab Mitchell & Sons camper, and to the best of my understanding, this is the one that the father of the company, Bud Mitchell, and his wife and family drove during one of their annual camper caravans around 1970. And I'll have a lot more to explain in the longer video about that and some other things that I've learned. Through a couple of Facebook groups, I've met some people, including the previous owner of my camper, which I thought was pretty cool. So my network of people and my information has grown, and I'm getting all that written into a script. So look for all that soon, and I hope you're all doing well. Thanks everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.